There it is. Not even open yet. So you want to check out the unboxing. Alrighty. Let's get this show on the road. And as you can see, it has not been opened yet. So, we are doing this. Oh, good. Almost. Actually, as I'm doing this, the mail people are here getting more mail. I want to do this. How do I want to do this? Let's just open it. Oh my gosh! This is what we got. SketchBox Color Shift Watercolor Premium Box. What? I'm about to get into my watercolor era again. Do I want to open this? Do I want to open this? Yes, I do. Okay, I'm not going to read it though. What's this? Ooh! Sticker. I like stickers. And it's a shiny sticker. Look at that. You know what? There is something that I learned from being a preschool teacher is that no matter how old your kids get, they will always love a sticker. Okay? And when I say no matter how old they get, I mean no matter how old they get. They can be in their 90s and they'll still like stickers. Well, not everyone. There's exceptions to the rule. But yeah, for the most part. Okay, I like that the paper has the name on it now. Very branded. Very. Oh, look at these. What these? Oh, okay. It's time to rethink. I'm not shiny. Okay. It's time to rethink everything. Instead of building up shadows, you build in light. Welcome to an exciting new world where watercolors, acrylics, and pencils transform negative space into positive. Day is night, black is white, and this Stonehenge Aqua Cold Pressed Black. And this is Stonehenge Aqua Cold Pressed. Okay, cool, awesome. This is awesome. Okay. Got SketchBox Signature 6 color pencils. Okay. These are the colors. Here's the paint. Oh my gosh. Okay, right off the bat, mermaid. In love. Love it. Just close second. I have a love-hate relationship with this color. Chartreuse. I love green. Something about this green is just, it gives me, I don't know. We have a love-hate relationship, me and the color. Alright, and then we have, I love Sakura pens. Always. What is this? Gold Touch. Okay, you know me, you know I love my Gold Touch. Loving this. You can always use a white color pencil. Trust me, when you're a kid, you think it's so useless, but it's not. You use it so much. And then titanium white, of course. Awesome. Is that it? That is it. So you can see. Okay, guys. This is what we have to work with. And I am so excited. Super duper excited. Quite a bit easier. Ta-da! Okay. I'll take pictures later. But now we have that. Now we have this. Make it nice and pretty for the camera. Don't judge me. You are allowed to laugh with me. You are not allowed to laugh at me. And if you're laughing at me, no, you're not. You're laughing with me. Because I laughed first. Okay. Step by step. Watch Juana's in-depth tutorial on our YouTube. youtube.com/sketchbox subscription. Okay, I am going to check that out, but I'm using my phone to film this, so I'll have to wait. So first, you want to sketch out your design. Apply a base. Okay. I just noticed this. It's a question mark. It's a question mark. Anyway, I got distracted. Apply base layer. Step 3, block in lights. Step 4, build up texture. Step 5, create the illusion of light. Ooh, pretty. Step 6, add gold elements. And this, if you follow the instructions, will be your final piece. And not sideways, okay, so you can put the whole thing. Okay. Final piece, if you follow the instructions. Alright, are we gonna do this? Maybe. I'm a rule follower. I like following the rules, and this would look really awesome. Yeah, let's give it a try. Alright, have no idea how many times I cleaned this table, but an artist table is going to get messy no matter what. Okay. I debated whether or not to go to YouTube and watch the little step-by-step video, and you know what? It's not that I don't want to. Oh my gosh, look. Oh god, oh my goodness. They have two. They gave you two. Okay. Oh, how lovely. How absolutely lovely. Okay, I'm going to just take one. So, what was I saying? Okay, I debated whether or not to go and watch the video. I ultimately decided I didn't want to. I also thought, you know, you could just follow the instructions. And I also decided maybe I would not. So, we're winging it. I also debated whether or not to make it just the raw footage or to edit it, and the truth is, I'm a messy person that makes lots and lots of mistakes. So, I can almost guarantee you will have almost no raw footage, and everything will be edited. Because nobody likes a messy person! Especially the internet. Girl, what are you talking about? The internet loves a messy person. Yeah, but you know what? The internet can love me or hate me, but it will be me. This is my style. This is how you see? You see? Messy! This is my style. This is what I do. I feel like many artists have very similar rituals, process. You know what? I don't know. You can look up that word. And by you, I mean editing me. Look up the word. What is the plural word for process? I have a nice job. I know that you are struggling. It is important to never give up, even when you're struggling, because in your struggles, in your hardships, that is when you will be doing the most growing, the most learning. Listen, I'm just a weirdo on the internet. But this weirdo on the internet has learned a thing or two. And so, simply speaking, learn from my mistakes. And it will hopefully help you avoid making more of your own. You know what my mistake was here? Waiting so long in between art pieces. My washi tape is so old, it doesn't even want to come off itself. Look! It's so old. Washi tape was not meant to be unused for this long. I've had this washi tape since 2019. 2019! Feels like forever ago. That's like... No, it's going to 7 years ago. Oh, I am ancient. Anyway, don't have to be perfect, but you do this. Alright, finally, so it took forever. Okay, so I'm just going to try and draw my little Christmas tree over there. So what I'm going to do No. using the white blanc Prismacolor. Alright, it can be a little rough, okay? Don't worry. You'll fix it up as you go. Don't stress. Why are you stressing? Okay, artist, you are an artist. Whether or not. You are an artist. You are a creator. You're a dreamer. It's okay to be a dreamer. I'm a dreamer. This thing goes kind of like this. And this one's round, and this one's sparkly. I'm just gonna do that. Alright, okay. So, you got your sketch. They said that was step 1, right? Step 2, apply a base layer. Okay. So, oh shoot. I haven't even opened this. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that is, and I'm loving the names, by the way. Hydrangea, Shimmer, Alarm, Mermaid, and Citrus. Alright. Oh, I hear something. Which means I'm going to have to press pause on this because I need to go get water and brushes because what in the world? Oh, wait a minute! Stop! Don't do anything! I don't need to! It has it. Okay, I still need to go fill it up, but oh, this is perfect.
Hey guys, I figured I would probably speed this part up, so welcome to the voiceover part of this video. I figured if I didn't speed things up, this video was going to be way too long. So, here we are. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. This is Dawn Dreams. And if you haven't already, a like or a subscribe, or both, are very much appreciated. But never expected, obligated. I don't know how you would say that. But anyway, if I sound a little off, it's because it is morning and my voice sounds a little different in the mornings. Everyone does. Anyway, here you can see I am just coloring in. Okay, so let me back up a little bit. When you're working with black paper, you are bringing light and color back into the scene. So I guess, how would you describe it? I guess when you're working with white paper, the way I view it is like I'm almost carving my idea out of the white paper. But when I'm working with black paper, it's like you're adding into it. You're not taking out, you're adding in. Whereas with white, you're taking out. Does that make sense? I don't know. It makes sense in my head. So to explain a little bit, my tree is artificial, and it has white needles because it's supposed to look like snow. So that's why it looks a little weird. I am absolutely loving the watercolors. I am in love. Because I have the light on overhead, I guess it messes with the lighting a little bit and like the way you see it, but from my point of view, like everything's just looking, wow, amazing.
Alright, so I had to stop the video because it needed to dry, and I was not going to film paint drying. Now, finish her up. Here we have the Pen Touch Gold. Do not remove the seal. Okay, we won't remove the seal. But yeah, so okay, so definitely want to test this out before starting. So let's test it out. Here's one. Doing it right? It's coming. I can barely tell. Oh, where, there. I can barely tell. It's coming out. Just gotta give it some aggressive love. Ta-da! Aggressive love. So that's all we need. Alright, so a little recap. We did our sketch, our base layer, block in lines, build up texture, create the illusion of light. Ta-da! Right? So we got that. And then let's add a couple little cool textures. Where do I want to add them though? Maybe over the wood.
Okay guys, so I'm going to be completely honest. When I am making these videos, I kind of forget that I'm filming, so enjoy this next portion of just adding details, I guess. I don't want to talk your ear off, but I guess I want to ask you, what got you into art? What was the thing that made you want to learn more about art, or drawing, or painting, and when I say art, I mean any kind of art. If your art is cooking, what got you into your art? If it's singing or dancing, what got you into it? Tell me what was the thing that got you into your art? Tell me in the comments. I feel like one of the hardest things for me is drawing shiny objects. If you hear weird noises in the background, that's my little dog Yoshi. He's not very little. It was his birthday. He's 1 year old now. Yes. Actually, first of all, thank you for making it so far in the video. I really appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out with me. So let's do something. If you've made it this far, can you leave a little dog emoji in the comments? And also, if you have a dog, can you tell me what kind of dog you have? Let's Can we share pictures in the comment sections here yet? We can do that on TikTok. Can we do that here yet? If we can add pictures to the comments, can you add a picture of your dog? That would be awesome. I can't wait. Okay, so as I'm watching this video back, I understand how frustrated I was when I was doing this because I had an idea in my head and I started off and I just did not get it the way I wanted it to. So in my head, I ruined it. I totally ruined this painting, this little piece. But you know what? Watching it back, I'm like, the mistakes you make while you're creating something, those little imperfections is what makes it so unique. And maybe it's a parallel for ourselves and a small reminder that your flaws don't break you. Your flaws make you unique. I gotta say, taking the tape off is always so satisfying. But seeing this is the end of the video, I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you again for hanging out with me. And consider leaving a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Whenever next time is. See ya. Bye.